Welcome to Spirit again. Listen, you got a flex fuel GMC Sierra, 2,000 miles, less than 50,000 miles on it. This vehicle is also certified with the bed liner and the toolbox. This vehicle here was maintained properly, one owner. It is certified, it comes with a warranty. Beautiful 2009 Sierra 1500 4x4 Z71. Brand new rubber on this vehicle, Michelin's, not cheap tires by any shape of the imagination. Again, this vehicle is spotless. This gentleman did not use it for work, he used it for leisure, and you can see that the way it's maintained. This vehicle is being sold for less than $21,000, well below Kelly Blue Book value. You've got the beautiful Vortec motor in here. It's going to give you plenty of power, plenty of towing capability. And again, it's a GMC. Little bit step above the Chevrolet. Not a ding, not a scratch. If you're interested in this vehicle, give me a call here at Spirit in Swedesboro at 856-467-2200. You ask for Bob, I will take care of you. Trust me, this is a truck. If you're looking for something that's under $21,000 and is going to give you another 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years of great service, you give me a call here at Spirit. 856-467-2200, extension 335. Thank you. Have a great day.